Hello students, Jai Hind, very good morning, welcome back. In today's lecture, in lecture number 9 today, in chapter Statistics, if you can remember, we are already in a process of one type of example related to self-learning practice 4. We are trying to understand examples to find median, okay? To find unknown frequencies when mean, median and mode are given. We have in last lecture number 7 and lecture number 8 solved examples of this type where you have to find either one unknown frequency or two unknown frequency when mean, median and mode are given to you. Now what we are targeting in today's lecture, we have understood examples to find unknown frequencies when mean and median are given. In today's lecture number 9, dear student, today lecture number 9, chapter 14, as you all know, statistics. And now, in today's lecture, we are going to target examples where you have to find unknown frequencies when you are already given mode, okay? So such type of examples we are targeting today. What is the topic title today? Finding unknown frequencies. Finding unknown frequencies when mode is given, okay? This is what we are going to target today. Mode is given and you have to find two unknown frequencies, okay? Most probably, dear student, there can be single unknown frequency you have to find, or you may have to find sometime double unknown frequency also when mode is given, okay? Let us solve one particular example when mode is given and you are looking to find two unknown frequency, okay? Let us take one example. Mostly I will refrain myself from taking examples which is given in material so that it will comfort you to solve some more examples, okay? Let me write one example for you. Please note down. Example number 1 today. Please note down the value of mode. This is the question. Note down, find unknown frequencies. Find unknown frequencies if Z, value of the mode is given, that is 33 integer 1 upon 3. Value of the mode is given As well, you are also given total of the frequency, that is 100. Two data has been given. Understand, mode is given, as well you are also given total of the frequency. First let me write class, okay. Note down class with me. They are 0 to 10. Note down 0 to 10. Then 10 to 20. Note down the classes. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. Okay. These are the classes. 50 to 60. Then note down the frequencies given. Frequency F. Which are the frequencies given? Note down 7, 12, okay. These are the frequencies given. X, 28. Then one unknown frequency Y and 9. This is given. Okay, dear student. Now try to understand what we are going to do. We are given mode. We are also given total of the frequency, that is 100, that is given to us already. Okay. Now try to understand, dear student. As I told you in median, that from the value of the median you will decide median class directly. So here you are already given value of mode. What is that? 33 integer 1 upon 3. So obviously, because mode is 33 integer 1 upon 3, it lies in this range. Can you understand? 30 to 40, 33 integer 1 upon 3. So dear student, this will be your model class. Okay. Mark your model class. Every time when you are given, try to understand value, understand of mode. From the value of mode, you have to determine model class. Now if this is model class, mark this as lower boundary of model class. As you all know very well, frequency against model class is called frequency of model class, that is F1. Mark X, it becomes frequency of the class preceding the model class. Y becomes frequency of class succeeding the model class. Okay, this marking are done. Now dear student, just get the total of the frequency sigma Fi, that is n equal to, just go on adding it. Okay, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 plus 2, no, just a minute. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 8, plus 8, 26, 6, 2 is the carry. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, okay. 56 plus x plus y. Value of n indirectly you all know, that is 100 given, okay. Now dear student, let us move ahead. Here in case of mode, we will solve two examples and you will come to know where difficult situation arises in finding mode. Try to understand this, okay. Chalo, first formula of the mode, as you all know, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1, correct formula, minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H, okay. Formula of the mode we have written. Value of mode is given. Let me write 30. 1 upon 3 equals 2. What is value of L? Note down. Plus F1, that is 28, minus F0, that is x. Now here 2F1, value of F1 you know, understand 28, so this will be 56 minus what is value of F0? X. What is value of F2? That is y, multiplied by class height of 10. Now dear student, you may query the difficult situation in which you come across. See dear student, there are two unknown in the same formula here. As I told you when we solve examples of mean and median, when we are finding one or two unknown frequencies specifically, that there must be in formula only one unknown has to appear. Here there are two unknowns, it becomes difficult, and you will come to these situations that what to do, there are two unknown. So how to find solution to that? Please concentrate here. First, let us convert into fraction. 33 3 are 99 plus 1, 100 upon 3. Please concentrate here now. Equal to 30 plus 28 minus x as it is. And now what you will do dear student, 56, take out negative as common, x plus y. Now close it into 10. Now you start thinking, somewhere if I am able to get value of x plus y, then it become easy for me that there will be only one unknown, x. Now you have to think, how can you get value of x plus y from here? See, dear student, if I write, can I write this way? Please concentrate. 100 equal to 56 plus x plus y. This is clear in your mind. If I transfer 56 on this side, this will be 100 minus 56 equal to x plus y. Understand, this is 44 equal to x plus y. Is it clear in your mind? You already got the value of x plus y. So can I directly substitute this value here, value of x plus y? Yes. Next step, if we continue, I write 100 upon 3. Let me transfer this here, minus 30 equal to, this is 28 minus x upon 56. What should I write in place of x plus y? 44 into h, into 10. Okay. Here a simple LCM, 330 is 90, 100 minus 90, 10 upon 3 equal to, just verify all this, 28 minus x upon 56 minus 44, that is 12. Is it clear? Into 10. Now you understood one thing, 10 can be cancelled. So this is 1 upon 3 equal to 28 minus x upon 12. Let us cross multiply. I am continuing here. 12 with 1, so 12 equal to 3 into 28 minus x. 28 3 ja 84 minus 3x. Just transfer 3x equal to 84 minus 12. Carry on with me. 3x equal to, understand, you got what? 8 minus 1, that is 7, 72. X equal to 3 here, 24. First you verify this, dear student. Whatever I circle here, these are the caution point of importance where you may get doubt, and how we derived the value of this. This is very important for you to understand when you solve examples of mode. Try to verify this first. Then we will go for finding another frequency. That will become a routine process. Understand? Now let us try to find another frequency. You all know 44 equal to x plus y. 44 equal to 24 plus y. 44 minus 24 equal to y. 20 equal to y. Please verify this example quite properly. This section of finding first unknown frequency needs to be precisely studied by you. That's very important. Okay? Just verify this. How you will get x plus y in between, and how will you find one unknown frequency and then another unknown frequency that you need to target, as well you should understand also. We also like to solve one more example where value of mode will be given and we are looking for two unknown frequency. Okay, dear student, first make this clear in your mind. Looking for two unknown frequencies. Suppose if a case arises where mode is given and you are looking for just one unknown frequency, then example can be solved with quite routine as you do. When you are looking for one unknown frequency, but when you are looking for two unknown frequency, you have to be very conscious about such examples. Okay. One more example also I would like to solve, so that any doubt whatsoever if remain in your mind, let us solve it. Okay, dear student, please note down one of the another example. Let us try. Okay, this is over. Another example where also the similar one mode will be given and we are trying to find two unknown frequencies as well. Okay, the similar example, similar method, similar explanation and similar analysis on your part you have to do. Okay, second example, again the similar mode is given and we are looking for two unknown frequency. Okay, note down first what is the mode given. Z equal to, just note down 34.5. Total of frequency n is also given 165. We are looking for two unknown frequencies. Note down the classes first. First 5 to 14. Okay. Note down the second class 14 to 23. Okay, class length of 3 to 32. Note down 23 to 32, 32 to 41, 41, understand 41 class length of 9, there is no change at all. 41 to 50, note down 50 to 59 and 59, understand to 61, the last class 59 to 68, sorry. Frequencies please mention 5, 11, then unknown frequency A, then 53, then B, understood, then given 16 and 10. Okay, let us continue. What is mode given? 34.5. So this will be your, can you understand this? This will be, this one will become your model class. because the value of the mod is given, check this, 34.5. From the value of mod, you have to determine model class. This is model class. In model class, mark lower boundary point. Mark frequency against model class, frequency before model class, frequency after model class, and at the same time total of frequency and also let us add all 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9 plus 6 15 5 1 carry 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7 8 9 okay 95 plus a plus b, just tally with me, okay. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9 plus 6 15 1 carry 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7 8 9, okay. Now marking has been done, okay. Let us designate them. This is lower boundary of model class. Please note down, this is frequency of model class. Try to understand, this is frequency of class preceding the model class. This is frequency of class succeeding the model class, okay. After the marking are done, now let us continue first. Formula of mod. That let us do that process which is required. N equal to 90 A plus value of n you know 165 equal to 95 plus A plus B. 165 minus 95 70 equals to A plus B we got. Understood? Now let us continue. We got first value of, understand already value of A plus B you got, that is A plus B equal to 70. Now let us now write formula of mod of the data, okay. Z equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Value of Z we know 34.5. Value of L we know 32. That's plus F1 you know 53. F0, note down with me. Here 2 into F1 53 into 2, 106 minus A minus B multiplied by class height, that is of 10, as you know. Next step, dear student, just transfer this here. Try to understand 34.5 minus 32, that is 2.5 equal to 53 minus A. Let me take out common from this. 106 minus A plus B into 9. Okay. Remove the decimal from here. 25 upon 10. This is, please carry on with me, 53 minus A upon 106 minus, what is the value of A plus B? 70 into 9. Okay. Next step, cancellation. 5 5 ja, 5 2 ja. Let me carry on here. 5 upon 2 equals 2. 53 minus A into 9 upon, just subtract 106 minus 70, it will be 36. Is it clear? You understood how we substituted the value of A plus B? Please be very conscious regarding this. Okay. Cancellation. 5 upon 2 equals 2. 53 minus A upon 4. Let us cross multiply. 5 4 ja 20 equal to 106 minus 2A. So 2A equal to, please carry on, 106 minus 20. So 2A equals to, first you subtract 106 minus 20. Okay, that will be 86. A equal to 86 upon 2. Therefore, A equal to 43. Is it clear? First you verify this, dear student. First you just tally this. Then finding the next unknown frequency becomes a routine only. First you tally this one. How we got this answer? Again, this remains the quotient point every time. You have to get value of A plus B. This way you will take out common and substitute value of A plus B, because you are getting two unknown. Okay. Now for another, you all know A plus B equals to 70, that you know. Value of A, that is 43 plus B, equal to 70. Let us transfer B equal to 70 minus 43. Okay, 27. You got both the unknown frequency. Do one thing. First you verify and note down the complete example and try to be watchful and verify how the procedure has been done to find two unknown frequency. First you verify properly before we deliver homework to you, okay? First you try to understand and tally this example. Okay, you must have verified this example. So dear student, in today's lecture, we have completed the topic of finding two unknown frequencies when mode is given. Okay, so in lecture number 9, the topic of finding two unknown frequency gets over. Now homework for today's lecture, as far as if you verify your SLP, okay, then see dear student, what is your homework for today's lecture? Okay, let me note down for you. Homework for today's lecture. See dear student, how I am giving homework, please try to understand. From SLP 1, homework for today's lecture is like this. First, two examples which we have solved here. Both example twice. Both the examples which we have done here, that is to be done twice by you. That is one homework, and another homework, that is from SLP 4 from material, self-learning practice 4. Two examples you will do in today's homework. One is example number 6 as well example number 7. Okay, these two examples you have to solve. Okay, so this is homework for today's lecture, and now you can understand. In chapter statistic we have covered examples up to self-learning practice 4. In next lecture we will go for another example where you will learn when you are given cumulative frequency distribution of less than type and more than type, from that given cumulative frequency distribution of less than type and more than type, you have to prepare frequency distribution first, and then you have to find median. In our material, I have given examples only to prepare frequency distribution and find median, but after preparing frequency distribution, you can find mean or mode also. You understood this? So in next lecture, we will take those type of examples. Okay, dear student. So for today's lecture, the topic of finding unknown frequencies when mode is given. You understood this. So concentrate. Whatever example given to you, to calculate twice, that you have to do. For more practice and 2 more extra example that you will solve. You understood this? Okay. Thank you very much.